Listen to 4 a.m. birdies begging to feed. There's something here for me. Figure out things. Isn't there a warning or something to drink? My God, my God. When my thoughts drift to you, when my thoughts drift to you. What's up, guys? Today we're learning Infinite Arms by Band of Horses. This is a great song and very easy. We got no capo, we're in standard tuning, and we're using a pick. Okay, so we can split this song into 3 different parts: the intro, verse, and chorus. And the intro and verse are very similar. So the first thing we should do is learn the chords that are in those. The first chord is an F major 7. This is only 3 fingers. We're putting our ring on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string from the top, middle on the 2nd fret of the 4th string from the top, and pointer finger on the 5th string from the top, 1st fret. Everything else is open. Okay, and the other chord, once you get this one down, is going to be E minor. So it's just middle finger and ring finger on the 2nd frets of the 2nd and 3rd strings from the top. Okay, and so I would suggest, if you're a beginner, practice switching between them. Cool. Now let's talk about the strumming pattern. I'm going to do it super slowly for you, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so that is down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So as you may notice, it's a lot of just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you want to accent 4 downs as like a bar. So it's down, 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 down. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, get yourself into that rhythm. Make it start sounding like what I was playing there, and you're good. So to the intro, he does 1 bar on the F, and then he does another bar on the E, and then he does another bar on the F, and he does another bar on the E. So 1 F, 1 E, 1 F, 1 E. Okay? Then when he starts singing, he goes, I had a dream, I had a dream. Same thing. Bar on F, then to bar on E. That I was your neighbor, about to give birth, and then everything was really hurt. I was so lonely, I didn't see a slide. Okay? And the whole verse through, it's just F to E. And so as you sing or play, just recognize to switch back and forth in that same rhythm. And then finally, to end the verse, you're going to go back to 1 more F. I got this last F. And then we get into the chorus. So the first new chord in the chorus is going to be G major. But we're going to play it like this. If you don't know it like this yet, it's time to learn. You're going to want to learn eventually. So that's ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and then pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string from the top. Okay? And you're going to do 2 bars on the G. In my thoughts drift. Oh, I'm sorry. You're not going to do anywhere near 2 bars. You're going to do it like this. In my thoughts. And then you're going to switch. So it's just 2 down strums that are accented. In my thoughts. Okay, and then we're going to switch to our next chord, which is an A minor. So we're taking our middle and ring, putting them on the 2nd frets of the 3rd and 4th string from the top, and then pointer finger on that 5th string, first fret. And you're gonna do this for 1/4 of a bar. So we did the G for 2/4 of a bar, and then we're gonna do the A minor for 1/4. So it sounds like this. Switch. Now we're gonna go back to a G, but there's a twist. This is gonna be called G major 7. And so instead of having our pinky down on that 3rd fret of the last string, we're gonna put our pointer finger up on the 1st fret. Okay? It's a little weird if you're used to switching to the G to change that over. Once you get it, you'll get it. And so you're gonna do this for 1 bar as well. So altogether it's in my thoughts drift to a C chord. That's where they drift. You. And you do the C for a whole bar. So what is the C chord? This is ring finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, pointer finger, 5th string, 1st fret. To you. Okay, and that's the first chorus. After that, you do F to E to F to E. So you do 2 of those, the same thing you did for the intro, you do it again after the chorus. And then you hop back into the verse. When you start singing, it's F to E again. And the F to E count is not always the same, so I would pay attention to the lyrics and how it sounds to know how many times to go back and forth, because there might be an extra progression on one of the verses. Cool. After the 2nd verse, you do another chorus, but there is like 2 choruses stacked, so it's in my thoughts drift to you. Okay, we know this. To F, bar and F, and back to G. In my thoughts drift to you. Cool. And then you're done and go back to the F. Into the E, into the F, into the E, and then next to the next verse, 3rd verse. Cool. After the 3rd verse ends, you do the 3rd chorus, and the 3rd chorus is a double once again. So it's G to A minor to G sharp, or G major to C to F to G to A minor to G major 7 to C, and that's the end of the song. Okay, that's Infinite Arms by Band of Horses. If I added some value to you today, please drop me a like. And if you're into this type of music, subscribe. I do this stuff. Leave me a comment and I'll do it. And yeah, have a great day.